Welcome to the 30-Day Vocabulary Challenge, where you'll master 300 words in 30 days. By the end of this challenge, you'll know the 300 most frequently used words in the language, which make up about 65% of the language you'll hear and use on a daily basis. In today's video, we'll teach you 10 new words that you'll get to review at the end of the video. Now, this video is just a small portion of our learning program. To get more lessons, Fluency Fast study tools, and get your language tested, click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account.
Kalender, calendar, Kalender, Kalender, calendar, Tageskalender, day calendar, Tageskalender, Montag, Monday, Montag, Montag, Monday. Die Arbeitswoche startet am Montag. The work week starts on Monday. Die Arbeitswoche startet am Montag. Dienstag, Tuesday. Dienstag, Dienstag, Tuesday. Dienstag, der 1. Januar. Tuesday, January 1st. Dienstag, der 1. Januar. Mittwoch, Wednesday. Mittwoch, Mittwoch. Wednesday. Spieleabend am Mittwoch. Game Night Wednesday. Spieleabend am Mittwoch. Donnerstag, Thursday. Donnerstag, Donnerstag, Thursday. Am Donnerstag, on Thursday. Am Donnerstag. Freitag, Friday. Freitag, Freitag. Friday. Zum Glück ist es Freitag. Thank God it's Friday. Zum Glück ist es Freitag. Samstag, Saturday. Samstag, Samstag. Saturday. Samstagabend, Saturday night. Samstagabend. Sonntag, Sunday. Sonntag, Sonntag. Sunday. Sonntag ist Vatertag. Sunday is Father's Day. Sonntag ist Vatertag. Tun. Do. Tun. Tun. Do. Tust du mir den Gefallen und machst heute die Küche sauber? Can you do me a favor and clean the kitchen? Tust du mir den Gefallen und machst heute die Küche sauber? Gehen. Go. Gehen. Gehen. Go. In den Park gehen. Go to the park. In den Park gehen. Kalender. Calendar. Montag. Monday. Dienstag. Tuesday. Mittwoch. Wednesday. Donnerstag. Thursday. Freitag. Friday. Samstag. Saturday. Sonntag. Sunday. Tun. Do. Gehen. Go.